Fish on, baby. Fishing time. We're about to go get them. All right, pulling up to our first spot. We got a little rock jetty here, and we're gonna hit this for a couple minutes, see if anything's happened. If not, moving on. All right, now it's shrimp time. First cast, let's see what happens. Everything like shrimp. All right. Oh, as soon as I put down. Come on, man. Oh, man. There we go. Definitely a small little guy. Little mangrove snapper. First fish of the day. Tiny little guy. Let's get him back in. We need a bigger one. Oh, man. I think that might have been the bigger one. There's one. What we got here? Pretty much the same guy. Got us a little school of mangroves. There we go. What a surprise. Another one. We're gonna get out of here. We out. We got bait. All right, this is what we wanted, guys. Perfect finger mullet. Fish on, baby. What we got here? Ooh. All right. And we got us the first flatty of the day. Not a bad fish. Let's get him off the hook. All right, there's our first flounder. Definitely a keeper, but we're gonna let him go. If he's too close and you gotta measure him, I'll let him go. He's probably about 14 inches. Nice fish, let's get him back. See you later, dude. Fish on, baby. Come on. Come on up. Stuck in the rocks there. I let the slack go. Second toadfish out here. Not what we wanted.